Okay, I have a very messy can't talk, very messy toolbox with 15 wrenches, 7 screwdrivers, 6 pliers, and 2 tape measures. Don't know why you need 2 tape measures, that seems unnecessary, but I'm the fool who put them in there. So anyways, we want to know for part A, what is the probability of reaching in and grabbing a wrench, and then a screwdriver, and then a tape measure? So first off, we need to figure out how many items there are total. So take 15, add 7, add 6, and add 2. There are 30 items total. That's awesome. I just totally chose those numbers at random. Glad it worked out that way. So before we have taken anything out, there are 30 items, and we're going to reach in and grab a wrench. 15 of the items are wrenches, so we're going to have a 15 out of 30 chance of that. 15 out of 30 is just 1/2, so you can write 1/2 if you want. And then we reach back in. We want to grab a screwdriver now. There's 7 screwdrivers, but now that we've taken that wrench out, there are only 29 items left in there. And then finally, we would like to grab a tape measure. There are 2 of them out of the remaining 28 items. So multiply those 3 fractions together, and I'll tell you in a moment what you should get. You should get a 0.86% chance of that happening. Notice 0.86%, not 86%, 0.86% chance of that specific scenario happening. Okay, well, now let's look at the next thing. Next, we're saying we want to reach in 5 times and then sequentially grab a screwdriver, and then plier. So, it's going to work in much the same fashion. We have 7 screwdrivers, so before I grab anything, I'm going to get 7 out of 30. And then I want another screwdriver. There's only 6 remaining screwdrivers since I've pulled one out, meaning there's also only 29 remaining items. And now I want to grab a pliers. There are 6 of them out of the 28 remaining. And then I want to grab another pair of pliers, which means there are now 5 out of the 27. And finally, one more pair of pliers, 4 out of 26. So again, multiply all those fractions together and see what you get. You should get a 0.02% chance of that happening. Such a small chance that my calculator actually told me my decimal in scientific notation. It told me 2.947244327 e negative 4, but I just multiplied that sucker by 100, and then it told me that it was a 0.029% chance. So that's how I got that. Last question. Oh, that was cute. My dog just made her like whimpering sleepy dog noises. I love that. So cute. I wish I could make a noise that cute. Alas, I cannot. C says he. I don't know why it says he. It's me. I blindly reach in and pull out a tool at random. What's the most likely tool that I grabbed? Well, we're just going with a number game here. There are more wrenches than any other item, so statistically, assuming that they're all equally likely to be grabbed, I have a better chance of grabbing a wrench than I do of the other items. Pretty significantly better chance at that.